Hello YouTube, this is Mr. NJ Airsoft here with another fully upgraded gun of mine. This is my G36K custom with an integral suppressor that took me hours to get to fit in. As you can tell, it's actually inside of the gun, not on the outside like most of these. Makes it a little bit shorter, but still able to house a 407mm madbull inner barrel. Overall, it's a great gun, one of the most reliable I have. Shooting at about 425 FPS with .2s and about 400 with .25s. It's a great gun. It's like my DMR has actually out to 250 feet pretty easily on semi, and then full auto out to 300 reliably. I'm running it off of a Nanotech 11.1 2650 milliamp 11.1 LiPo 25C discharge. So I guess now it's time for a shooting video. Just get rate of fire and trigger response time, which is pretty epic. Semi-automatic. Full auto. There's empty high cap. Just to show you the reliability. Well, I want everyone on YouTube to have a great day, and subscribe, comment, and like.